I would move to myself if I saw myself. I'm not gonna lie, like, please God, this is how long my hair's gonna be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I apply curly clip-ins into my hair in the easiest way possible. If you like the way my hair is looking right now, please watch the video until the end. Parts of this video will be a voiceover as my mic wasn't actually working at the beginning of filming. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. So over here, I'm just parting my hair so I can prepare it by wetting it and making sure that it is blendable with the curly clip-ins that I have as well. This is actually my first time putting in a curly clip-in, and it was kindly gifted to me by MyKultureMyHair on Instagram. It's also a black-owned company as well, so check them out on Instagram. I will put the link in the description down below. As I part my hair and wet them with water, I add Eco Styler gel onto my hair so that I can have that added definition and avoid my curls becoming dry. My natural hair is currently red, so by wetting it and gelling it down, the colours between my natural hair and the clip-ins would blend better. And also continue with the same pattern of parting my hair, wetting it, gelling it down and adding the clip-ins up until I use all of the clip-ins all over my head top.
So far this is what it looks like, and I feel so pretty. Like, is this what my hair's gonna look like when it's longer? Like, is this how cute I'm gonna be? This gives me nostalgic feelings, like, damn, my hair used to be this long, you know, even longer than this, like, wow. And right now I'm just using Eco Styler gel to define my curls. Can't seem to find curling gel that I have, so I'm just going to use Eco Styler, which is good enough, to be honest. Even though you guys saw in the beginning that I was spraying my hair with water and stuff and, you know, brushing it out, my hair still went dry, like dry chronicles, honestly. You know what, this is kind of cute. Anyway, I'm going to continue because I've still got about 7 wefts left, and I'm adding all of them. Well, I'm going to try to add as many as I can, so yeah. I'm feeling a little cute. You can see like the difference in my colour. In order to try and hide that, I'm going to add a little bit more gel because the wetter my hair is, you can't really see my hair colour. So I'm just going to use Eco Styler gel just all over the hair basically. I haven't washed these clip-ins, like I literally just took them out of the packet and put them on. So hopefully they will still be good when I wash them. So far, like, they're really easy stretchable. Like, I like that. Like, I can either have it like this, or I can stretch them out a little bit more to make them look longer. I don't really see any tracks, everything's covered. I feel really privileged right now because this was gifted. I've always wanted to get some curly clip-ins, but the fact that this is gifted, I'm enjoying this even more. When I was talking to her, she seemed very nice. I really like customer service, like her professionalism. She's got a quite good following on Instagram as well, even though she calls herself a small company. I think, honestly, like, with the way the quality of the hair is and her professionalism, like her kindness, she's really gonna go far. If this wasn't gifted, I would have bought it, honestly. Like, this is actually very, very nice quality. Like, I'm very happy with the way it's looking. I'm looking at the mirror like, what is this me? Like, oh, I haven't even done any edges or anything. I don't think I will. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this because right now I feel like I'm looking at like the future me. because you guys know I'm on a natural hair journey. I feel like I'm looking at the future me, and that's what I'm gonna look like when I'm like maybe 27, like in the next 2 years. This is how, please God, this is how long my hair's gonna be. Let me just show you guys the back. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm looking at myself like, are you dumb? I would move to myself if I saw myself. I'm not gonna lie, like, yo, you say things. No, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really.
Few moments later.
This is how it came in. This is how it's looking. I feel cute. 10 out of 10. And I'm not even exaggerating. Like, I'm not exaggerating. Yeah. This is a 10 out of 10. It's a black-owned business. You gotta support that, okay? Don't be looking at AliExpress. I'm serious. Don't be looking at AliExpress. Support black businesses. Link is in the description down below.
346 minutes later.
Alright, real quick. I actually did end this video, but I thought I'd just come back really quickly. I might look a little bit different because what I've done is I separated some of the curls because I realized I do have like smaller curls. They're not really that big. So I wanted it to kind of match with my curls as well, especially since they're drying. I keep staring at myself in the mirror and I'm just like, I swear my reflection is just gonna be like, are you the police? You the FBI?
You the police? Is you the FBI?
I'm going to show you guys exactly how I go from this to this. This is all separated, also wet, and I'm going to be doing the same thing for this, just so that it can like blend in with my texture. So now, looking much better. I'm going to just continue. So final look. Like, guys, how good do I look out of 10? I'd say 20. Like, honestly, my confidence is up there now. Like, honestly, is I am the happiest girl right now. So you guys can achieve the same happiness if you check the link in my description box now below, or go on MyKultureMyHair on Instagram. You will be able to see that they've got different textures clip-ins as well. I think it's done from 3A to 4C, I believe. So yeah, like, I am very happy. I feel cute AF, and I'm gonna wear this a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've gotten this far, please like, comment, subscribe so that I can be more motivated to do these videos. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh my mama, oh my hood, I look fly, I look good.